Quick question lang, ano ang first step kung gusto ko nang magkaroon ng financial plan? Ganito ang gagawin mo. Start with these 3 simple steps. First, know your goals. Ano ba ang gusto mong i-achieve? Mag-save para sa emergency fund, mag-start pang education ng anak mo, mag-start para sa retirement mo, or mag-ipon for big purchases. Kunyari, gusto mong mag-travel around the world. Second, track your current finances. Magkano ba ang kinikita mo, ginagastos mo, at nasisave mo every month? And third, talk to a licensed financial advisor. They will guide you in choosing the right plan for you. Don't worry, you don't have to figure it out alone. Minsan, ang pinakaunang hakbang pa nga ay ang magtanong. Sabi nga sa commercial, huwag ka mahihiyang magtanong. So you can comment down below or you can send me a message for your questions and if you need help with regards to your life insurance policy.